Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Discord app. Whenever you're trying to use the mic in the Discord app is not working. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, you need to right click on the mic shortcut icon and choose the option properties. Here, click on this compatibility tab and make sure you check mark this option, run this program as an administrator. Hit apply and OK button. Nextly is you need to launch the Discord before starting the game. Again I am telling you to start the Discord before starting the game. Once the Discord is started properly, then launch the game and check if the issue of mic not working with Discord has been fixed out or not. And another basic step to fix out this issue is to unplug your headset. Yes, when the headset is not working, unplug it from your system. Wait for 20 to 30 seconds and then replug it to fix out the issue of Discord mic not working. If this failed to work out, in next step, head over to settings menu. In this left pane, click on the option privacy and security. Scroll down and click on the option microphone. Here you will find the option of microphone access. Make sure you turn this feature on and then scroll down to find the Discord. Under the let desktop apps access your microphone must be turned on. Once you have done so, go ahead, relaunch the Discord and this will fix out the issue of Discord mic not working. If this also failed to work out, in next step, click on start menu and type control panel and open it. In control panel, click on this sound option available over here. Now select the recording tab and whichever your default microphone is, select it and click on the option properties. Now here, click on the advanced tab and under the default format, from this drop down list, make sure you choose the lowest quality. Like I have already chosen 2 channel 16-bit 44100 Hz. So after selecting the lowest quality, hit apply and OK button. Now close it and relaunch the Discord to fix out the issue of Discord mic not working. Now if these methods doesn't help you fix out the issue of Discord mic not working, in next step, launch the app and click on this gear icon to open the settings menu. Scroll down and click on the option voice and video. From here you need to change few settings one by one. First one is input mode. Make sure you select this particular option, voice activity. Do not choose the option push to talk. Nextly is another input device. From the drop down list, choose any other device available right over here. Choose the actual mic which is connected with your system. To check the actual mic, you can again open control panel, open sound settings and under the recording tab, you will get to know the default mic. Once you find the default mic, from this drop down list, choose your default microphone, Realtek Audio as your default mic. Once you have chosen, try to recheck if the mic started to working or not. However, if it is still not starting or not working, scroll down and under the noise suppression, click on the option none. Further scroll down and here you will find the option of audio subsystem. From the drop down list, choose the option experimental. As it is saying, it will quit and relaunch the Discord. Go ahead and click on the option OK. Let the Discord quit and relaunch itself and then try to check to fix out the issue of Discord mic not working in your Windows PC. If all these methods doesn't help you fix out the issue, I have a simple tip for you. Go ahead, go to the chat menu and hit the mic button to record your audio. Then send it to the user and then delete it. Now go back again to the mic settings and hopefully this will fix out the issue of Discord mic not working. Now if this tip also doesn't help you fix out the issue, let's proceed with the last step. Right click on start menu and choose the option run. Type here percentage, local app data percentage and then hit the enter key. Now first of all, if Discord is open, you need to right click on it and choose option close window. Make sure you completely exit even from the system tray icon. Now in this local folder, find a folder with the name Discord, right click and choose the option delete. Now click on app data, open roaming folder and again find a folder with the name Discord, right click and choose the option delete. Once it is completely deleted, again open run command and type regedit and then hit the enter key. In regedit, you need to expand H key current user, software and press the D key to find Discord folder. Again right click to it and choose the option delete. Once it is deleted, re-download the Discord app and then reinstall it, and hopefully this will completely fix out the issue of Discord mic not working in the game or while playing the game. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.